XGODY Gimbal N6 Pro portable projector with native 108op Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.432 GB for home theater. The XGODY Gimbal N6 Pro portable projector is designed as an affordable, flexible, and smart home entertainment solution that brings a cinematic experience into almost any room. At its core, it features native 108op resolution, ensuring that movies, TV shows, and games appear sharp, detailed, and far more realistic than typical budget projectors that rely on simple upscaling. This makes it suitable for families, students, or anyone looking for an accessible big screen experience without investing in expensive home theater equipment. The projector is powered by an Android-based smart operating system, often referred to as Whale-O, which includes built-in apps such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and other popular streaming services. This eliminates the need for external streaming devices and makes it a straightforward plug-and-play option for everyday entertainment. With support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, users can enjoy stable streaming performance, faster wireless connectivity, and easy pairing with speakers, headphones, game controllers, or other accessories. A standout feature of the N6 Pro is its 180-degree gimbal-style flexible stand, giving users an impressive level of freedom when adjusting projection angles. Whether you want to project onto a wall, a screen, or even the ceiling for late-night movie sessions, the rotating gimbal allows quick setup without needing a tripod or additional mounting hardware. The projector can deliver screen sizes ranging from around 40 inches up to 150 to 200 inches, depending on the distance and environment. This level of versatility is especially useful in apartments, bedrooms, dorm rooms, or small living spaces where users may want to frequently reposition the projector. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the N6 Pro manages to include autofocus and keystone correction features, making the image easier to adjust and ensuring that beginners can use it without much configuration. In terms of brightness, the projector claims around 700 ANSI lumens, which is respectable for a compact projector in this price category. While it performs well in dim or moderately lit rooms, it is not intended for bright daylight usage or environments with strong ambient light. For the best results, users should watch content in darker settings, such as evening movie sessions or controlled light indoor spaces. Color reproduction is generally good for a budget device, though not comparable to higher-end laser projectors or premium home theater models. The onboard speaker, typically rated around 5 West, is adequate for casual viewing but lacks the depth required for truly immersive sound. Fortunately, Bluetooth compatibility allows users to connect external speakers or soundbars for a significantly improved audio experience. The build quality of the N6 Pro is primarily plastic, keeping it lightweight and portable, though it may not feel as premium or durable as more expensive models. Reviewers note that the software experience can occasionally feel sluggish, particularly when switching between apps or navigating complex menus. Still, for general streaming, casting, and everyday use, the performance is acceptable and aligns with expectations for its price bracket. Overall, the XGODY Gimbal N6 Pro is best suited for users seeking a budget-friendly, portable projector with a strong combination of image clarity, smart features, and flexible placement options. It excels in home entertainment scenarios, small rooms, dorms, and relaxed movie environments. However, those expecting high brightness, PREM/IUM materials, or professional presentation capabilities should consider these limitations before purchasing. Despite its drawbacks, the N6 Pro offers impressive value and delivers a versatile big screen experience that is accessible to a wide range of users. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment. Love to hear what you think.